Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss how SEO, search engine optimization, has made me a millionaire. And this video was inspired because I was chatting with somebody on TikTok who saw one of my videos and was like, teach me more. I said, let me look at your Etsy shop and see what's going on there. Her SEO was horrible. And okay, so fair, right? She doesn't know how to do it, etc. I gave her some advice of what free videos to look at, free trainings I have, etc. But then I came to this conclusion. I'm like, wow, I see a lot of people's Etsy shops who literally don't know that they have bad SEO. She did. She just wanted confirmation, etc., because she's not experienced in it. And then don't know what to do about it. But I feel if they knew my story, and many others, they knew my story and what it has done for me and my business, they would push harder to learn it, to get it, to get it done, etc. Let me fix this camera here. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a casual video, just kind of tell you my story, exactly how SEO made me a millionaire, and kind of just, I don't know, give you advice and etc. But while I'm drinking my coffee, okay. So just a quick summary. I started selling on Etsy back in December 31st, 2010, correct? I was at home, New Year's Eve. I launched my shop with like 10, 11 items, okay? And for a few years, I didn't know what I was doing. I just created things that I thought people would like, that I liked, and I just listed them, okay? It was around the end of 2014 where it clicked. Like, I did enough research, etc. I understood how to do SEO. Okay, so just in case you're like new to life, SEO is search engine optimization. In regards to Etsy, it is the keyword phrases you put in your titles and tags. Okay, why is this? Because if you put nothing in your title, imagine your title's nothing. Okay, your tags are nothing. It won't let you list it, but imagine it was. Etsy, while there are some, people that say, there's like technology that can read the image and knows what it is, blah, okay, fine, whatever, who cares? You still have to put in keyword phrases that describe the product, okay? Things that people would search for if they want to purchase a product like yours. And so if you don't, it won't know that this is, a panda handbag, or this handbag is blue, white, and red, or whatever, okay? So you're thinking about descriptive words that people would search for if they want a product like yours. The key is what people would search for, okay? So while your backpack is a panda handbag, and you might obviously write that in your titles and tags, what you fail to realize is that buyers are searching in other ways, okay? Panda lovers gifts and panda backpack for kindergarten or what have you, okay? So they search in different ways. Nonetheless, that is what SEO is. If you do a shitty job at it, you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. The reason why I didn't say that you could fail is because many people can launch a shop, have horrible SEO, still do great. Why is that? Because either they have a social media presence, they drive traffic a different way, or they have such a hot seller that they just put one or two words in there and it's such a great, fantastic, super fantastic product and then all the people that saw it shared it with friends, and it started to sell. And then Etsy didn't care that it has bad SEO. It'll still put it on the top of search. But I don't want people to rely on that. Okay, you do not rely on luck. You don't rely on your product being so super duper fantastic. The reality is, many people watching this are going to have products that are good, maybe not so great, but maybe that are good if you want to pat yourself on the back, but not so great it really stands out from the competition. A lot of us sell similar type of things. We might have more unique style, etc. But if you just rely on like a fantastic product, listen, dime a dozen, all right? Many people have fantastic products, okay? So you have to really control the controllables. You have to optimize your SEO. Now, you get the point, right? But let me explain to you my story, okay? So really it can motivate you. Is the lighting good here? Who knows? Okay, so again, I started back in 2010, listed some products, eventually started figuring it out. When I figured it out, I was like, I gotta tell people how to do this, which started the Handmade Mastermind, which is my coaching. Like, I help people like sell on Etsy, get found in search, etc. And so I started teaching people. But You have to understand that while I'm recording this video, while I'm on vacation, while I'm at home at night, etc., I am making sales. And by the way, I sell on Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify, okay? But I'm just using Etsy as an example here. I'm making sales, and a majority of my sales, okay, come from SEO. Meaning Sally, okay, let's call Sally the buyer. The buyer's name is Sally, and she comes to Etsy and goes, I want personalized stationery for my nurse friend. Okay, or I want personalized stationery for my husband who recently became a lawyer. Whatever, okay? She types in personalized stationery for lawyers. I'm hoping to God that I get found in search because I have a product that would meet her needs. If you don't have a product that meets your customer's needs, why would you want to be found in search? They're not going to purchase, okay? So that's what I hope for. And then, of course, I hope that I optimize my product enough, my product's good enough, all that type of stuff. I have the right variations, the right options, the right color combos, etc., that they could choose from, that she ends up purchasing from me. And this has expanded, meaning I have so many types of designs, so many different categories within stationery that I'm able to grab not just Sally as a customer, okay, but Lauren as a customer, John as a customer, so many people, because I sell monogram stationery, I sell kid stationery, I sell stationery for lawyers, I sell stationery for doctors. So I'm expanding my reach because Sally may never want to search for stationery for lawyers. Okay, she only want to search for stationery for kids, maybe because she has kids and she wants to get them stationery. But John may, okay? And I want to capture almost everyone. I don't want to sell every type of stationery, but almost everyone that's searching for stationery. So I expand my categories. And because of the type of product I have, I'm able to expand because I create designs digitally. So it's not like I'm housing all these designs. It's on the computer, okay? So because people, it's simple, guys, because people were able to find me in search, and of course I optimize my listing, more about that in another video, okay? Because they can find you in search, but now that's part one. They have to now click and purchase, okay? We'll talk about that in another video. I was able to make money, more and more money, expand my product line, get them found in search. Again, I'm not even close to being an expert in social media. I don't consider YouTube social media, but it's like a big search engine. I don't get traffic that way. My biggest traffic source is SEO. People search for me and they like me. Another traffic source I get is email list. Okay, for my Shopify site, it's also Pinterest and Google. Okay, but in general, if you look at all the money I've made, a majority of the money, when I say majority, I mean 80%, right? High amount is from SEO. So having said that, when I saw this person message me, I looked at her shop, I'm like, she has good items. I gave her some advice on the items too, but people don't know how important it is. Okay. And sure, it's hard work, to get it done. But the reason why I highly believe SEO should be one of the first things you should do and nail down right. It can never be perfect, sure, but you should do it at least decently, more than decently, is because while you're doing other things to work on your business, whether it's answering messages, fulfilling orders, blah, blah, sales could be rolling in because you had SEO set and done. Okay, you had the knowledge to do so. But if you were doing social media, no hate against social media, but if you're doing social media, you'd have to post constantly, right? It relies on you. I could be on vacation, my team. I have people working for me, but even if you just put your shop on vacation, you still want money to come in. If you stepped away and just increased your processing times, I had sales coming in. That's how I'm able to sustain my business. Because if you don't, then you're not able to step away for a moment and work on more things in your business, creating new product. Imagine if you're just constantly trying to hustle and get people to purchase your product, purchase your link, sending it through Instagram. It's a lot of work to set up these like Instagram, Facebook posts, whatever. And I'm not dogging it. I'm not an expert in doing so. My expertise is SEO and optimizing product. But it's important you get that done first, SEO, because then while it's working in the background, you could do other active strategies. Okay? SEO in general is a passive strategy once you set it. Okay? A lot of my listings have not touched SEO in a long time. I'm still making money daily. Okay? An average day, for me is around, it depends. This is a slow month right now. So $5,000, that's a slow month. Okay. Maybe a little bit more, but that's a slow month. February and March are slow. So I looked at this person's shop and I'm like, I wish she knew how important it was. If people watching this video, you know, and you're like, I don't know, SEO is whatever, please listen to me. It's so important to help boost your shop into customers' eyes. Now, don't be fooled, okay? While SEO has made me millionaire, I've built a business for over 12 years because of people finding me in search, okay? I made money, very profitable. Obviously, by the title of the video, you know, very, very profitable. But don't be fooled. Don't be fooled for 1 second, because it doesn't just take SEO. It takes great products. Like you can't learn SEO from me. Like, for example, for my students that have my course, you can't take that course when you have sucky products. Sure, people eventually work on their product better and better. So there's still students that still are improving their product as they take my course, but you have to have products that people want, products that are in demand. And it's important that you don't assume your products are the best. You know what I hate seeing? I'll tell you what I hate seeing. And there's some people that I know personally that I told them this. So don't think I'm calling you out in general. They're putting up product that anybody could sell, that anybody could design. Pre-made Canva designs. Guys, nobody cares. Yeah, it's cute, by the way. You think you're the only person that thought of it? There's millions of people on Canva, okay? Millions of people doing print on demand, okay? You can't just take a clip art, slap it on a shirt, and sell it. Unless you're somebody famous or you have a social media following where you could post a link and people swarm to it, fantastic. Do that all day long. I'm here talking about SEO. I'm here talking about, hey, you know, little poor old me, I don't have a social media following. How do I build a business? SEO is it. Okay? So here's the thing. You can't tell by this video, but I'm an introvert. Okay? I know how to turn up the volume and really show up, okay, in public settings and things like that. But I'm an introvert, and SEO is really perfect for those people who not just want to hide from the public and social gatherings, but for lack of a better phrase, if that sounds like you, then just know this is the right move. If you're a social butterfly and you know how to use Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc., then sure, go for it. But I still would love to tell those people, you should do SEO. Why would you leave money on the table? Because it's harder work? Maybe. Okay, fine. Maybe because you're interested more in social media than SEO. But guys, I can't tell you the impact it's made on my life, and not just my life. Many sellers I've taught, many students I've taught. I've helped, I'm so proud of this. I'm gonna shout it from the rooftops, okay? I've helped people pay off debt. I've helped people send their kids to private school. I've helped people purchase another home, including myself. I've helped people retire their husbands. I've helped people hire their mom. I wouldn't hire my mom. I guess that's important to that person. So many things, and just in general, gain financial freedom. And so very proud of that. And what I've taught them is SEO. Okay. By the way, SEO rules a lot of our lives. Okay. So the reason why when you Google something, you find what you're looking for, hopefully, is because of SEO. Because that person that wrote that blog post that taught you about why is vitamin D important, whatever you decided to Google, they were found because of SEO, whether they intentionally optimized or not. Okay. Now AI is really popular, ChatGPT amongst a few others. It's because of SEO. People might listen to this and disagree. You're wrong. Because the search engine of the AI ChatGPT can only read data and put it together. Now, very smart system to put it together the way it does and rewrite things or whatever. But it grabs things from the internet. Okay. It is a limitations to it, but because of SEO, because of the words on those websites. Where else did you think it got it from? It doesn't have a brain, okay? There's other ways to use SEO in your life. I mean, this sounds really lame, but I shop on Amazon a lot, and I like to find certain things. I just bought a new home, so I'm trying to find certain gadgets that do certain things. Just last night, I was searching for I have a big sink and I need to put utensils somewhere so that instead of it floating around around the sink. And I was searching for sink utensil holder with suction cups because I want it stuck on the side of the sink, not just hanging out on the bottom of the sink, okay? You would think that exists. I couldn't find it. I started to adjust my wording to see if I could find it. Now, I didn't find it, okay? But have you ever tried to search for something and you couldn't find what you want? So you had to like change up what you searched for? Typically when you're shopping or looking for information. If the person on the other side did a really good job at SEO, you would have found them. Whether it's a product, I still couldn't find mine, by the way. I really tried my best. I don't think it exists, okay? Whether it's a product or information. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up and tell you that SEO has literally changed my life. I will tell you a few things how it's changed, and I hope this inspires you. What you're seeing me in right now is my office. It is in the office of my old home, okay? I took this home, left it for work, the whole entire home. The kitchen's a break room now, like everything. And we moved into a new home. If you follow me on TikTok, I'll put the link down below, or look for the Handmade Mastermind TikTok, you'll probably see new clips of my new home. It helped us take this home and use it for a workplace. It helped us purchase a new home. It helped us pay off my car. Okay, it helped pay off my husband's car. And that was a while ago. And it helped pay off my new car I just recently got at the end of December. Okay, it has helped my daughter go into this really prestigious soccer team that travels all around the US. I wouldn't have been able to afford that without SEO. I'm telling you right now. What else have I done with it? I mean, it's really my third daughter. Okay, so I have 3 kids, 3 daughters. The last one, a huge age gap, but she wouldn't have been born without SEO. I know that sounds weird. That sounds really weird, but it's the truth. If I wasn't as successful as I am in my business, making that much money, I would have not had my 3rd kid. Okay, it changed my life a lot. And I know I've helped many people. And I just wish if you're listening to this, that you understand how important it is. And how if you don't know how to do it, you need to learn how to do it. I say that with such like conviction. Because I know on the other side, once you do it, once you get used to it, once you do it, you're going to be like, damn, I should listen to Dahlia sooner. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick, just something off my mind. And it's just really inspiration, okay? I'll put some links down below, some free, awesome videos I've made for SEO. I'll put my course down below if you're interested, my TikTok, all that stuff. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.